Hi, I'm at the Chief BlackHawk motorcycle show in motorcycle swap meet in Davenport, Iowa. Right next to us, we have a 1966 Matchless. On the other side, we have a 1954. Next to that, we have a 1952. On the other side of the 52, we have a 1955. And next to the 1955, we have a 1956. On the other side of the 56, we have a 1955. So if you notice, these bikes come to the Chief BlackHawk motorcycle swap meet every year. September, Davenport, Iowa. This bike here is a 1963. Good year. Next to that, we have a 1954, the year my brother was born. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. Next to that, we have a 1958. And on the other side of the 1958, we have this beautiful blue 1962. And that's just one row at the motorcycle show, the Chief BlackHawk swap meet. Now I'm going to go to the next row. And over here we have a nice Harley Davidson. And next to the Harley Davidson, look at this little sweet white bike. Oh, 1964 Vespa. And then next to the Vespa on the other row, I'm going to go just backing around a bit. Look at this beautiful bike. Look at the shine on that. Oh, gorgeous bike. Let me tell you what year that is. It's a 1954. And next to the 1954, we have a 1970. And on the other side of the 1970, we have a 750cc BMW. And this is a 1974. That was a good year. I was in high school. Next to that, we have a 1968 BSA. And on the other side of the BSA, we have a 1965 Honda. Now, I had one of these, but I, of course, crashed it. But it was a lot of fun until I did crash it. Okay, next to that, we have a I'm not sure what year this Bultaco is, 1978. Next to the 1978, we have a 1964. So again, this is at the Chief BlackHawk swap meet in Davenport, Iowa, Labor Day weekend. And next to that, we have a 1979. And on the other side of the 79, we have a 1963. Oh, look at, isn't this fun? And then this guy is riding for the heck of it. Next to him is a 1969 BSA. And next to the 1969, oh, a 1946. That'll be a year after my dad got out of World War II. Look at this 46. And next to the 46, we have a 1953. And next to the 1953, we have a 1963. So if you notice, these are just wonderful, wonderful motorcycles. And the history of motorcycles are here for you to see at no cost. Next to that, we have a 1946. And if you notice those colors, come on. It has to be a Harley. And look at this wonderful bike. Next to that Harley, this is a 1958. And next to the 1958, we have a 1949. Of course, this is a Harley. And next to this one we have a 1977. That was a good year. And next to the 1977, look at this beautiful 1968, of course, Harley Davidson. On the other side of that, we have a 1971 Harley Davidson. And then we have a 1962, going back to the 60s. And those are just two of their lines or rows at the motorcycle swap meet, BlackHawk, cheap BlackHawk. And I'm going to go down one more row here, and then I have another row after that. And over here we have a 1984 Harley Davidson. And after this 1984, we've got a Yamaha. What year is that one? 1981. After the 81, we have a Kawasaki. This is a 1984 Kawasaki. And next to that, we have a 1980. We got a Honda going on here. And next to this one, we have a 1986 Honda, as you can tell. Kind of looks like the one from 1965. And then we have another Honda. Oh my gosh, the Hondas are taking over. And look at this Harley Davidson. Look at the fork on that. This is a 1985. And then next to that we have a 1981 Electric Glide Sport. Now I'm going to give you one more row here and then one more row, and that would be all the ones in the main building. There's motorcycles everywhere here at the fairgrounds. And over here we have a 1953. Next to that, look at this beautiful bike. Look how much fun is this? It's a 1972. Next to the 1972, another 1954. The 50s are ruling this year. Okay, I'm going to go over to one more row.
Are you shitting me?
Yep. This is a pretty massive building, and there's a massive amount of motorcycles. Okay, over here we have a 1941. 1941. Look at the color on that. It's gorgeous. 1941. Dad was serving in World War II when this was created. Okay, over here we have a nice Indian. Indians are my favorite motorcycles. This is a 1949. And next to this Indian, we have another Indian, which makes sense. I'm going to sneak around to get to this Indian. This is a 1949 Indian. And next to that one, we have a 1950. And over here, a 1951. Oh my gosh, Indians rule. Look at this beautiful bike. And again, we are Chief BlackHawk. Chief BlackHawk was involved in the 1835 war. This area that we're in right now used to belong to the Sox. Okay, over here we're in 1946. This is another Indian, of course. There's another wonderful bike. And then I'm going to show you one more. Again, these are just some of the bikes at the Chief BlackHawk motorcycle swap meet. Please join us.